Picture this. It's 2 p.m. on a Wednesday. I'm in the shower, overwhelmed, exhausted, and somehow crying while trying to convince myself everything's fine. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. That was the day I realized I wasn't just tired. I was burnt out, mentally, emotionally, existentially. Burnout doesn't always announce itself with drama. Sometimes it shows up quietly, like tears over toothpaste ads or rage at fonts. And when my brain finally hit a wall, I didn't find clarity in a yoga retreat or on a mountaintop. I found it in habits, simple, grounded habits that helped me get back to being human again. Let's break down the 7 habits that saved my crispy brain from turning into emotional jerky. Habit 1. The morning nope list. Every morning before the to-do list, I write a nope list. It's a boundary-setting ritual, what I won't do today to protect my mental peace. Examples? No debating strangers online. No guilt replying to emails instantly. No comparing myself to overly edited influencers. This isn't avoidance, it's emotional armor. As I like to say, sometimes self-love is just ghosting your own unrealistic expectations. Habit 2. The potato hour. 1 hour a day. Zero productivity allowed. I call it the potato hour. It's guilt-free time to do absolutely nothing. Lay on the floor, stare at the ceiling, listen to music. The goal? Let the brain exist without a job to do. Not everything we do needs to produce an outcome. Sometimes, rest is the result. Habit 3. The 5-minute trash reset. When life feels out of control, I clean one small thing. Not the whole room, just one drawer, one surface, one messy tab. I call it the trash reset. It's not about cleanliness. It's about control. About reminding yourself you can still make a dent. Habit 4. Scheduled delusion. Every week, I plan something utterly whimsical. Karaoke alone, Googling castles I'll never afford, drawing like a kid. It's joyful rebellion. Because play is not a luxury, it's resistance to burnout. Life needs a little ridiculousness to stay livable. Habit 5. The 3-friend lifeline. Burnout thrives in isolation. That's why I keep 3 people on speed dial who will pick up the phone when I text, I'm spiraling. Not 300 followers, just 3 humans who know my crisis voice. Connection is medicine. Don't ghost your lifelines. Habit 6. The Sunday emotional laundry. Every Sunday, I process the feelings I ignored all week. Sometimes I cry. Sometimes I journal. Sometimes I scream into a pillow with sad indie music playing in the background. It's emotional hygiene, cleansing out what's festering before it becomes resentment. Burnout isn't a personal failure. It's a red flag waving gently saying, hey, you've been carrying too much for too long, so put it down. You're not lazy, you're human. And sometimes the bravest thing you can do is nothing at all.